tint on this Laramie lawnmower here. 5% tint on the back, just smoke. We're just removing it. It's a little bit old and burnt already. You know what we do. Gotta get to it.
Alright, so right here what I'm doing basically is hold up the year, make, and model of the truck, and now we're going to click on these two right here. We're going to hit cut. I just want to move them out of place a little bit, give myself some more space. Then we're going to send it to the plotter. It's already pre-cut. Pretty much all I'm doing right here is just separating. Alright, so basically what I'm doing here, you see this bubble right here? So the reason why this is here is because the tint is perfectly flat, but the glass isn't. It's got a little bit of curvature, so it's got a little bit of excess tint right here. So the way pretty much what I'm doing right here is I'm going to shrink it down so that it gets the shape of the glass, and once you put it on, it pretty much ensures that for years down the road it's not going to bubble up over time. So this is what it looks like when you're heat shrinking. You're shrinking the tint to the shape of the glass. Next thing to do is cleaning up the window, making sure that everything comes out super clean. And I'm using this scrub. There's two different ones. There's a green one, there's a blue one. You want to stay away from the green one because it's a little bit too rough and will actually very lightly scratch the glass. The blue one is perfectly safe. So this is what we use over here. Main part is you do the bottom section first. Make sure you squeegee that thing all the way out. Wipe your squeegee down. Keep the door panel dry. Roll the window down. You wipe the top rim. In case there's any dirt buildup up there, it won't come down when you squeegee it. Next thing is you squeegee all of the stuff off. This is where all your dirty water is at. Different squeegee for the edges right here. Final spray before we apply this one. And you want to put a little bit more on the edges so that if there's any leftover dirt, which there shouldn't be, but if there's anything left, the water running down is going to carry that down and not get on the film itself. Oh, that was perfect. You got it. Alright, so if you guys want to get something like this done on your car, give us a call at 281-900-4484. Visit us at our website at texastintmasters.com, or go to our YouTube, Facebook, or Instagram accounts at Texas Tint Masters. This is Carlos here with Texas Tint Masters signing off, and I'll see you on the next one.